So I decided to leave the filing part of the video. Hopefully, I don't know about you guys, but I usually find it relaxing and satisfying to see the whole process. And so this is kind of like ASMR type video. I decided to include it. Here I'm showing you the tools I will be using. I'll link the products in my description box if you guys are interested in these bits. This came as a kit, some of them. This one in particular that I am using is a rounded carbide bit. That one actually I found it at Sally's Beauty Supply, believe it or not. And I am showing you the Coupa Mani Pro e-file. That one I've had for about 10 years, if not more. It was my first actual real, my first and only real e-file. It's been a really good one. It's lasted me well over 10 years, so it was well worth the money. I'm planning and hoping to eventually upgrade, but so far I'm very happy with it. Anyways, I'm using the carbide safety bit, and it is called a safety bit because the tip of the bit is rounded to avoid cutting the skin. But it's also very important that when you're filing your nails that you hold back the skin. See how with my other finger I'm making sure to hold my skin back to allow more distance between the bit and my skin. Now I'm switching bits. This is the one that came in part of the kit. It comes with it's a ceramic bit, and it comes with fine, coarse, and medium, and it also has different shapes. This is just a regular barrel, just to mention for safety purposes. I am using this completely flat against my nail. I'm hoping you can tell. You don't want to tip the e-file when using it because you can cut into the nail and that will hurt. So as you can see, it's basically parallel to the nail, to my natural nail. So yeah, like I was saying, it comes with different shapes of tips, of bits, I'm sorry. That kit that I will have it on my Amazon favorites. The link is in the description box if you guys are interested. I like it. I do find that it makes less dust than other bits that I've used, and it's really good at removing the product. Here, even though you can't really tell, I am lifting. I'm not just going back and forth. It's going at a slower speed, and I lift really quickly, but since I'm doing it quick, you can't really tell. Anyways, I'm almost removing all of the acrylic. I still have clear acrylic. Don't think I'm filing on my natural nail. But I switched to an arbor band once I've removed about 90% and continue to remove about 98% of the acrylic. I don't go all the way down. Later, I soak it off to remove completely the acrylic. I don't file it off completely. And now I'm removing the excess tip with my nail clippers, or my tip clipper. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this new style. I love ASMR. I find it very relaxing, and hopefully you guys do too. Either way, let me know in the comments and I can continue making this style of videos, or if you hate it, then I will stop. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.